and the speakers before me has given you illuminated talks, especially from our working national president Navneet Kaushik has talked about mercury. Fascinating subject. He has done extensive research on it and has presented brief points to us. Then our friend from Kanpur, he has given insights of moon. While talking insights of moon, he has given the various scholars' approach, out of which one particular statement he has made it very critical. At that particular point of time when people, Nagarjuna and other people talked about time, what they say, Gati is call. Gati is call, which you can see today in the modern world after the Big Bang theory has been accepted as a scientific proof. The entire universe is expanding. Expanding means Gati. Before it comes, he has given the concept of the time. And next speaker spoke about the Rashi science, the fundamental astrological principles which are supposed to be known each and everyone. Very nicely, aptly explained in Dakana chart, which is very essential. And our Chandigarh chapter chairman has spoke about Sarvatobadha Chakra. Without knowing astrology much, if you know Sarvatobadha Chakra, you can predict accurately with the 3 sheets available to you. But you need to do a little bit of research on it, a little bit of practice. And as far as I am concerned, I am going to take not more than 10-15 minutes as for the organizers who has given me that much time. But I would like to tell you the essence of this particular seminar is would like to introduce to the students the basic concepts, what is evolving and what are going to be used. On it you have to do research. It's only basic concepts as a scholars we are presenting to you in a simplistic way. That makes the essence of any seminar, MCM followed by a seminar, always we keep it. To share various thought processes happening in the entire astrological world, we are bringing, and we are bringing years of experience to you. And we are not, no scholar here is speaking by taking anything. We are just only doing surveys. Please remember that thing. And the Indian Council of Astrological Sciences, founded by Dr. B.V. Raman, is purely on non-profit basis. People think that we are making crores of, we are not a commercial organization. We are not a commercial organization. We speak from the, from Bharati Vidya Bhavan. If I remember, 35 students. Rangachari used to tell me on fingers, count. Now we are 3,500 students. Remember the work Vishwanath Hola and our secretary is doing. This is how we are increasing our number, and we should be able to contribute. I request each one to bring one student to the chapter. That's more than enough for us. Thank you very much, but I don't want to waste much of valuable time. The one which I would like to see, 2 parts. This one, what I said, Gati Kal Hai. The starting is Big Bang theory has been accepted, and out of which sun, a small, around which we are there. This is a gravitational force, attractions, mutual attractions. That's how we sustain in the entire universe. Next one, these are the planets, solar system, and the various planets, what our Pradeep has said it, actors in the entire astronomical world. Next one, these are the things. I don't want to spend on each one, but I would like to come back straight away to what is it, what are the actors involved in Sade-Sati. First one, Saturn, is basically 6th and 2nd largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter, surrounded by 7 beautiful, thin, beautiful rings. The rings consist of numerous narrow ringlets which consist of ice particles that travel around the planet. This signifies the entire significations of this planet. Next one, Saturn is like this, you can say. Yeah, and mythological story you can see here. Saturn is the son of Suryaputra, sun, and that's how You can see moon. The story, beautiful story, has been explained by our Ramesh Chintak ji. Sun actually, you can see, signifies the seeds, life, life-giving. Those are very important when you are looking at them. And astronomically, its life is 4.6 billion years ago. Surface gravity is 1/6 of the Earth. Okay, next one. This is how it appears. Next one. Mythological story I have explained to you. Will not spend much time. Astrological significance. This is where you can see basic significations. Whatever you are analyzing it, basic significations of the planets has to be seen. That's first. Number one, signifies. Go back. Signifies service. Service. Moon signifies mother, mind. This has been explained. We don't want to take much time on it. It's a benefit. Next, these are the houses involved in this transit. 12th house, basically, Moksha Sthan, represents expenditure, good and bad activities, foreign journeys, confinement. First house signifies physical body. Second house signifies family and finance. Whenever Saturn transits on these houses, these significations has to be clearly should come to you before as a computer. The screen should come you when you close your eyes. Not that we see on the thing. These are the basics. When you see these things, these are the significations which are going to affect the individual, and the Saturn is transiting around the moon. Moon may place any place in 12 houses. So those significations has to be seen very clearly. Next one. Saturn, it is basically definition. Saturn transits of 12th house, first house, and makes you this 90 degrees arc of the Saturn transit makes you Sade-Sati. It happens to the native normally 3 times. 3 times. At the most, if somebody has a long life of 1 to 2 years, 4th time also it may come. So these are the cyclical influence where the Saturn is moving out. Next one. Now, these are the questions most of the time people will see. And this is also one thing where unprofessional astrologers make so much of money from the public. We are being the professional astrologers, we should be able to guide the people. There is nothing wrong in it. It's bad, good, when it will really start to the native. When will it end? What is the mathematical extent? What are the promises and how to interpret remedial aspects and conclusions? These are the basic things which one can see. The students backside could be able to understand, because the front row of the scholars, I don't want to spend much time on it. Next one. First cycle. First cycle means when Saturn moves at the time of birth, first cycle starts. Results influence on family, parents, people, places where the native lives. Now, for example, you take a child. When a child is born, when Sade-Sati is running, it doesn't affect the child, it affects the family. If the family is affected, then the child is affected. Not that you have to see from the child point of view, from the point of the entire family where it is. That's first cycle. Second cycle basically comes to the profession, finance, domestic and family life. This is a major activity. By the time the native will become around 30 years, 35 years, where he will be doing his activity, his professional activity, all will come there itself. Third cycle, so all 70, your health will come and health will be affected and seen. Fourth cycle rarely happens. If it happens, domestic issues will get into highlight. Next one. Now this is very, very beautiful condition. One Saturn is transiting Taurus, Tula, Capricorn and Aquarius as Janma Lagna, as Janma Rasi, native to be examined very carefully. The reason why? He owns it. Saturn owns these houses. Or Yoga Karaka, when a person owns his own house, he will not spoil his house. We should not blindly come to a conclusion that is going to happen. So you have to see the first condition. Saturn's condition, after that Saturn condition, PAC condition, position, aspect, conjunction to be examined carefully. And at the end, Mahadasha, Anantardasha, without this is a major activity. Dasha, Antardasha, Pratyanta Dasha has to be seen. At least आप लोग Antardasha तक देख लीजिएगा while you are doing this thing. Okay. Then Sarvasthaka Varga, Bhinnasthaka Varga will give you. This will give you an idea how Saturn is strong or weak in that particular areas. When Saturn is strong in Sarvasthaka Varga, Sade-Sati result has to be modified accordingly. Okay. Now there are other things. It happens Ashtamaseni, Saturn transit 8th place from Janma Rashi known as Ashtamaseni, gives untold miseries to the native. Saturn transit Ashtamaseni at 4th place, Ardhashtamaseni from Janma Rashi also considered to be bad. Important note, the interpretation of Sade-Sati or Ashtamaseni, Ardhashtamaseni should be seen only after observing natal chart, Dasha, Antardasha, Lordships, PSC conditions with Sarvashtak Varga and Vinashtak Varga. This is a comprehensive analysis of your entire Sade-Sati. Now, the other concepts where Veda has to be seen, Viparita Veda, Vishti, Vama Veda, Asti, Nakshatra Veda, Angafala. These are the concepts where when you are interpreting, if some Veda is coming, means some negative aspect of Saturn is obstructed by Jupiter transit at a particular place. Is it not a good? This is a good sign. So Veda is very important to understand which planet is obstructing, how long it is obstructing. To that extent, the good results or bad results are going to be stopped. Veda means stopped, good or bad. You have to see if it is good, then native will lose. If it is a positive, the negative side of the Sade-Sati will be reduced. The negative results of Sade-Sati will be reduced. That's how we can able to analyze all these things. Next one. This is very, very interesting. You should be able to see mathematical extent. Normally we see the house concept. Don't see house concept. Sometimes house concept will not give you right results. When you see the mathematical extent of the Sade-Sati, it gives you accurately exact predictions. For that purpose, the famous astrologer from Maharashtra has given you 90 degrees arc from moon. 90 degrees arc from moon. I will explain how it happens. That will start the Sade-Sati and the end of 90 degrees will close the Sade-Sati. How it happens we will see. Next one. This one you can see. For example, in a particular sign, moon is at 15 degrees. Moon at 15 degrees means when Saturn enters exactly 45 degrees back side, the Sade-Sati will come. That is 15 degrees in the 30 degrees first house and second house 45 degrees makes you 45 degrees arc. When the Saturn touches that arc, starting of that particular degree, Sade-Sati will start. It doesn't make the house. It may happen this side, that side. That's why sometimes your result when you give based on the traditional results, it doesn't match. But when you see this thing, it will give you exact. Yes, Sade-Sati has started. When exactly comes onto the moon, 5 degrees of moon, this side, that side, you can really see the results coming out. And when it goes out from that arc to the other side, 45 degrees, the Sade-Sati will be over. Now these degrees can be extended. Sometimes need not be moon, need not be 15 degrees. Moon may be at 10 degrees. Then add, it comes back to the next house. The other side, 10 degrees, 28 degrees, it goes to the other side. So this mathematical arc, if you can able to keep with reference to the moon degrees, you can exactly see Sade-Sati when it starts, when it ends. It gives you 100% results as far as your predictions are concerned. Nakshatra, the other standard statement is Nakshatra. It's a Vedic system. You take, that also costs 90 degrees. Starting of the Nakshatra, ending of the Nakshatra, you can take it. So this also gives somebody doesn't have exact horoscope. This will help you. Exactly if you don't have the moon Nakshatra, this will help you. Next one. This is what you can see, Murti Nirnaya concept. Golden Murti, Swarna Murti, 1611, 259, Silver Murti, 3710, Copper Murti, and 4812. It gives you iron Lohan Murti. When it comes to Sade-Sati interpretation, there is one more concept is available. Saturn rules iron. So you should see when he gets the iron Murti, he will give full results. That is left to you as a research. If you can able to get the result rightfully, you can able to use it. Otherwise, follow the traditional system. Golden Murti gives you full result. Silver Murti 3/4, copper half, iron 1/4. So based on Murti Nirnaya, you can able to translate your results outside. Next one. So these are the house results. First house, second house, third house, fourth house, fifth house, sixth house. Next one. Up to 12 houses. When you see 12 houses, only 4 houses will give you beautiful results as far as the sketch is concerned. Do you think that it is happens? You should be able to see. necessarily what is transiting, at what house is transiting, how strong is it transiting, you should be able to see and come back to the results. Traditionally, when you see, it's only few houses will give you good results, almost 9 houses will be not giving good results. Do you think that life is happen like that? No. It's good and up and down. So it makes you dasha, antardasha very valid when it is running. Dasha, antardasha has to be seen carefully. Next one. One example I'll take you. You can take here Rajiv Gandhi. Leo Lagna. Second cycle of Sade-Sati, 1975 to 1982. Mars, Rahu, Saturn, Antardasha. His mother Indira Gandhi last court case. Debarred from elections. National emergency has been cleared. Death of Sanjay Gandhi, air crash. His mother expelled from the program. When you see Sade-Sati, Rajiv Gandhi, this is one. But at the same time, Rajiv Gandhi has become MP and Prime Minister also. Same time. Some good results, some bad results. The next one, when you see, next chart, this is Navamsha, we'll go ahead. Sanjay Gandhi, you can see here, Capricorn, Leo, Janma Rashi. Second cycle of Sade-Sati, Moon, Saturn. Mother last court case, same thing, expelled from the parliament. His mother, Indira Gandhi, won the election in 1980. He has also become MP. He also became MP, Sanjay Gandhi. But he died in 1980. So there are certain good things, certain bad things. So you can't make a general judgment, Sade-Sati is completely bad. Certainly not. You have to see the horoscope and make a final judgment accordingly. Next one. Next one. This is Srimati Indira Gandhi. You can see here 1975-80 under examination, Vimsotri Dasha, Saturn, Mercury. Sade-Sati is 1928 to 1936. Second cycle is 1966. Third cycle is 1995. Father expired. She became minister. Lal Bahadur Shastri minister. Last court case, debarred election, expelled from the parliament. One election in Chikmagaluru, 1980. Lost her younger son in air crash. Ashtama Seni is running. So this is how you can able to examine the entire chart in its right perspective and come to a final conclusion. Next one. These are some of the remedial concepts as per the classics. Mahamurtyunjaya Mantra Japa is recommended. Saturn Navagraha Stotra. And wearing iron ring on the right hand middle finger. Blue sapphire in Panchadhatu metal. Observing Saturday fasting. Donate Uddal, sapphire, etc. will give you some of the remedial concepts. Next one. No. You can see here, finally you need to have a comprehensive outlook of Sade-Sati. You should not jump to a conclusion when Sade-Sati is going to come, all will not be bad. There will be up and down in the life. And you can see Ashtavarga, Vedas, Balas, houses where the Saturn is dancing for final conclusion. I would like to conclude here, whenever you are making any interpretation, Sade-Sati, you need to see these 4 or 5 points very clearly. Then your analysis of that particular horoscope is scientifically correct. Follow mathematical arc of Sade-Sati, you can get 100% results as far as Sade-Sati transit is concerned. Next one. Thank you very much. Any one question I can answer.